What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here at PLM, Private Label Manufacturing. For today's video, we are focusing on the Wrx. Since we're getting a new tune from Felix Performance, our custom tuner, our goal is to hit at least 350. If we hit 350, that's already good. From the last time we dynoed it, and also the custom tune and the first bolt-ons that we did, the car only made 318 horsepower. We also have a dyno pack here. Dyno pack actually reads a little bit lower, but it's all good. My name's John. I am the pilot driver of the FF5 Civic Type R and also this 2024 Subaru Wrx VBTR. So let's go ahead and get into today's video and see how much power we're gonna make with this current bolt-on, also front mount undercooler. So Nathan is now inside the Wrx and he's waiting for Felix Performance's instructions how to get this tune done. And Nathan is already installing the new tune using Cobb. The tune that we're using right now is Cobb tuning, and we are custom calibrated by Felix Performance. If you guys want to check out Felix Performance, they're up in Maryland. Huge shout out to Mel and Anthony. Make sure to hit them up. Tell them John from PLM guys sent us over to y'all, and they will definitely take care of you guys, man. I'm pretty sure that one of the nicest people I've ever met. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. Watching the new tune by Felix Performance, and man, I really hope we're making more power, man. I don't want to be stuck in 200s.
No, we didn't.
Was it 300s last time, though? Was it 320 or something?
320 or something?
Oh, I could be wrong then, because I was.
300.
Okay, I guess it was 315. I do know 315, something like that.
318.
318. First time, but after with all the bolt-ons, correct? Yeah, after with all the bolt-ons and with the tune, we made 318. Actually, that's not bad.
Not bad. I mean,
Actually, that's
reads low though.
Yeah, that's not bad though if you think of it. Now it is finally time we flashed the new custom tune from Felix Performance, and right now, very first run, and see how much power we're making. Let's get it. Alright. Let's see how much power.
That was weird.
306. Yeah, should be. Let me check. We're now flashing a second custom tune after the data logs that we did. I'm pretty sure we're not going to be making 306 anymore. I'm pretty sure it's going to be making more than 306. Let's get it. Whoa! Huge jump. 335. So this is the new horsepower we're making with a custom flash tune. So 322 foot-pounds of torque and 335 horsepower. And this is how the graph looks like, guys. For some reason, I don't know why we're having all these scattered lines right here. Okay, that was crazy. That was actually a huge jump. 306 horsepower all the way up to 335 horsepower. But for some reason, the car was actually vibrating a lot on the top end. It was a little bit weird, but again, we're happy with the numbers that we're seeing. But hopefully we don't have this kind of problem in the next run. But as of now, we're gonna focus more on hitting that 400 mark at least. Alright, sixth run, we made 340 horsepower and 320 foot-pounds of torque. This is how the graphic looks like. So you guys can see we're focusing more on the horsepower side for a bit. On 330 side, we're going a little bit down. Actually, it wants to go up more for some reason, but I don't know what this catted line right here is. If you guys know anything about that, comment down below. I would say we're definitely making a lot of progress. Coming from last time, we only made 318 horsepower with all the bolt-ons, stock OEM top mount intercooler, and with a custom tune from the same tuner. But other than that, we're happy with the numbers that are going up. I'm pretty sure this is not going to be the last one. All right, guys, so we made 340 horsepower with all the bolt-ons that we did, obviously with the front mount intercooler and also with the custom tune we just did. So honestly, there's a lot of things to be done. Moving forward, we do know that we are going to send the car to a shop, and that way we can have something done. You guys will definitely see that later on too. Other than that, guys, that's it for today's video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, do us a favor, y'all. Make sure to subscribe and also smash that like button down below. Comment down below if you guys think 340 horsepower is the best power for this car. If not, comment down below. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.